A very good day to all my dear friends. Today I am back with a Sindhi recipe for you. We are going to make Basara Mei Seyal Machi, which means fish cooked with onion and spices. This recipe is very easy, simple, basic ingredients are used in this and it tastes really awesome. We enjoy it with fulkas because this is dry, and also dhodho pairs very well with it. Dhodho is Sindhi bhakri. So let us prepare this Basara Mei Seyal Machi. Basara Mei Seyal Machi. This is Sindhi style fish prepared with diced onion and spices. For this we'll require fish. I have taken seer fish 500 grams. Wash it very well and marinate with salt. Diced onions about 3 cups. Cut them into larger pieces. 1 tomato cut into pieces. Fresh coriander handful. Salt as needed. 1 or 2 green chillies finely chopped. Crushed garlic 1 tablespoon. Grated ginger 1 tablespoon. And here we have spices. I have taken coriander powder 1 teaspoon. Cumin powder 1 teaspoon. Red chilli powder half teaspoon. Turmeric powder quarter teaspoon. Dry mango powder Amchoor half teaspoon. Kashmiri chilli powder quarter teaspoon. And Garam masala powder 1 teaspoon. All these will be mixed together and used in 2 parts. Half of it while cooking and half towards the end. And oil as required. List can also be seen in the description box. Now heat about quarter cup oil in a pan. This is for frying the fish. Add little bit of turmeric to the oil. Let it become hot. Once it is hot, reduce the flame so that the oil doesn't splash out when you add the fish pieces. Now tip in all the fish pieces. It's better to use a wider pan for this so that all the pieces go in at the same time. Now cover the lid and you can increase the flame. Friends, if you are liking my recipes, do subscribe to the channel and click on the bell icon to get the notifications whenever I post a new video. Now flip the side and cover it again. This way, repeat 2-3 times to fry the fish on all the sides evenly. Now it is done. We will remove these pieces and set them aside. Here we go. Now the oil is too much, so we will remove little bit in a container. You can use this oil again when you are making fish. I store this oil in the refrigerator always. Now let's start the cooking process. First add the ginger and garlic. Toss them a bit until they change the color. Now the green chillies, and here goes the onion, diced onion. Saute it until it becomes translucent. Place the lid and intermittently open the lid and keep stirring. Do this couple of times. Now time to add the tomato and little bit of salt. Add the salt carefully as there is already salt in the fish. Give it a stir and cook on low flame until the tomatoes are little softer. Mix everything together. Now all the spices, I have mixed them together. Little bit will be added now and the remaining will go in later towards the end. Give it a nice mix. Place the lid and cook it little bit so that all the spices are incorporated with the onion. Lovely color. Check the salt. Add if required. Even you can increase the spice level also according to your preference. The red chilli powder can be increased or green chillies. Now line the fried fish on the bed of the onion. Perfect. Place the lid and simmer it. In between, open and turn the side of the fish. This is done. Now you can add about quarter cup of water, little bit to keep the fish moist. Sprinkle some spices on top of the fish pieces. You can add more amchoor if you like it tangy, and red chilli powder also can be increased as I mentioned earlier. Some coriander leaves on top and place the lid and simmer on low flame. Fish is done. It's ready to be served. Dish it out and you can enjoy this delicious fish dry version with your rotis, or even we enjoy with Sindhi dhodho also. Dhodho is Sindhi style bhakri. So friends, I hope you liked it. Do share your feedback. Thank you for watching, and if you wish to have a look at more Sindhi recipes, click on the link shared here. Stay tuned. Bye.